So let's get started. It is 11:04. So I just want to do 3 questions with you. And this is the last major lesson. Alright? So you'll notice that we have a day 3 assignment, we have a day 4 notes, but no day 4 assignment. Right? So what we're going to do is we're going to do the day 3 notes, just start talking about it today. We'll do the assignment next class. Then on Friday's class, when I see you, we will do a quiz on day 3, and we'll talk about day 4. Right? So remember I said there's no assignment for day 4. Right? So day 4 questions have brackets to make it look a little bit different. And there's 2 strategies to answer day 4 stuff. And one of those strategies isn't really meaningful. Man. Isn't really meaningful unless you know grade 9 math. Right? So when we go to day 4, I'll talk about this again on Friday's class. We're going to do one method. We won't do the second method. We'll do one of these 2 methods, right? Right? And I won't test you on it, but I just want to introduce it. The other method makes more sense once you're in grade 9. All right. So today, I take day 2 very slowly, right? Because I want you to get really good at 2-step equations. So this is just a continuation of 2-step equations. All right? So let's look at this. Our first step is to look at our equation, split at the equal sign, like this. All right. And we cover up the side that doesn't have the letter. Then there is, Maddie, put that away, a 6. And a 4 sitting here. Which one do we get rid of first? The 6. 6. Do we go plus 6, minus 6? Plus. Remember, adding and subtracting. The goals are to make 0. So we go plus 6. This side and this side. So the 6's go away. V over 4, that's what's left over here, equals 10. Now we have that 4 sitting here. Right? How do we get rid of that 4?
Times it.
Times it. So in between the letter and the V is a divide sign. So we do the opposite of divide is times. So remember when we do the times, it gets to the top.
Okay.
Times 4 like this. So now we do our canceling. A 4 on the top cancels a 4 on the bottom. So V equals 40. All right. So now our day 2 assignment, our second step was always just divide to get rid of the number. Right? And I wanted to make it simple and easy. I made all the questions like that. Day 3, now that you had a bunch of practice with 2-step equations, some of the questions will be multiplying questions, some of the questions will be dividing. So you have to look at it a little bit more carefully. So that's the main difference. So let's jump over to this one. All right, we split it to equals. We have a 2 and we have a 7. Which one do we get rid of first? 7. Plus 7 minus 7 divide times plus. Plus 7. Plus 7. Maddie. Come sit up here. That's the 3rd time I didn't say your name. Bring your notes with you. Alright? So the 7's go away. We're left with a negative 2r. The other side. We combine the 11 and the 7 together. What number do we get? Not 18.
4.
Right. Negative 4. We're at negative 11 on the number line. We're adding 4, becoming more adding 7, right? We're becoming more positive. There we go. Okay, now we need to get rid of that 2. What do we do?
Divide.
Divide. Does this look right?
No.
What should it be?
Negative 2.
Negative 2. When we're dividing, we were trying to make 1s. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 makes 1. Right? So the 2's go away. and you divide the other side, we end up with a -4 divided by -2 gives us a +2. And that's it. So you are going to have to jump your mind back and forth. Do I multiply? Do I divide? Right? So it's not much harder, right? Just an extra little steps. Let's go back to this question right here with the Q. We split at the equal sign. We have a 3 and a 2. 2. Remember the one not with the letter first. The 3 is with the Q. So we go for the 2. Right? +2 minus 2, subtract, add. What is it?
Oh, +2.
+2. Our goal is to make zeros. Alright? The 2's go away. We have a Q over 3 left over. What's on the other side?
9.
9. Alright? Now we want to get rid of the 3. What do we do? Sam?
Times by 3.
Times by 3. So that gets to the top. Times 3 here, times 3 here. The 3's go away. Q equals 27. And that's it. Okay? Easy. I hope you find it easy. So we're going to do a nice easy little break here. You can have a break and we'll do the assignment next day.